Hello, ballerinas! Welcome to ballet class with Miss Jasmine. I am so excited to dance with you today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Why don't we begin our class today on the floor in our butterfly pose so you remember how to sit down like a ballerina nice and gracefully. Place your feet together, and why don't we fly somewhere absolutely magical today? Where would you like to fly? I like that idea. Let's fly there and hold our nose to our toes for 3, 2, 1. P.U. Those absolutely stink. Let's fly somewhere else today as well. Where are we going to fly today? Say it even louder. That sounds like so much fun. Let's sniff our toes for 3, 2, and 1. P.U. Now that we've flown somewhere absolutely spectacular, let's practice our toe point. So take your feet out in front of you, ballerinas. Either hold your skirt or your really cool pants. And just like a little bunny rabbit, we've got little ears above us. Now we're hopping along, and all of a sudden something scary's come up on our left side. Cover your left side and point your toes down. Let's keep hopping along, and all of a sudden something super scary has turned up on our right side, so cover your ears and place your bunny ear down. And let's keep hopping along in the meadow, and something in front of us has scared us so much so we have to furrow our head into our ears. Can you flex your feet and try to touch your toes for 3, 2, 1. Very good, ballerinas. Why don't we make it sparkle along our toes? So point your toes down to the floor, and let's use those sparkle fingers all the way down to our beautifully pointed toes. Let's do that one more time. Sparkle fingers all the way down to our beautifully pointed toes. Great work, ballerinas. Give yourself a hug. Now, I think we better stand up for our ballet lesson so we can practice our plies. Who remembers what a plie looks like? Let's stand up like a graceful dancer. One foot in front, sitting up on our knee, and standing up on both feet into first position. So take your feet together. First position, one toe's facing one side, and the other toe faces the other side. Now our heels are glued together. And for our plies, our knees go over our toes so we make a diamond shape. Very good, ballerinas. Let's do a few more in first position. Now take your arms in a porte-bras in front of your belly button in a round shape like you're holding a big bucket. Take them above your head into fifth on O, over to the sides into second position, and all the way down. Tendu your foot to one side, and let's repeat our plies in second position. So knees still over toes. Let's use our arms, our sparkle fingers to the sides, really soft, like you're petting a doggy or a kitty. Do you have a doggy or a kitty at home, or do you love doggies and kitties? I sure do too. Take your hands in front of your belly button all the way up above your head for a porte-bras again. Open your hands to second and finish all the way down. Let's tendu our foot back to first position and give yourself a huge hug. Very good work today, ballerinas. We have also learned tendus, haven't we? Who remembers tendu? That's right, we point our toes. So take your hands on your shoulders and let's point our right toes in front of us and tap our toes in front. Bring it back to first position, and let's do the same to the side. Gently tap your toes to the floor, just your tippy toes. And back in. Let's do the same thing on the second side. Left foot front, and let's tap, 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 tap. Bring it back in, and we go to the side with our toes tapping gently. Excellent work, ballerinas. Stand up on your tippy toes and let's use our butterfly arms to help us balance. So take your arms up, flying like a butterfly, and all the way up above your head and down. And let's do another all the way up above our head and down. And one more to make a beautiful ballerina turn up on our tippy toes. And let's finish around to the second side. Very good work today, ballerinas. Amazing. If we wanted to practice our marches, our feet would be together. We would point our toes on one leg and let's try to balance on one leg, making a triangle shape. So our knee's high and our toe touches our other knee. Bring it back down and let's do the other side. Touch your toe to your knee. Can you balance? That's tricky. Let's do it again and again, even quicker. Very good. This is a march. Be sure to touch your toe to your knee each and every time. Imagine like you're a soldier marching in a band. Very, very good. Give yourself a round of applause. And now, of course, we have to practice it in first position with our heels close together. Take one toe to one knee, making a triangle shape. Do you see the triangle? What about on this leg? Do you see the triangle here? Very good, ballerinas. Now, something seems missing in this ballet class today, doesn't it? Who's missing? That's right, Miss Dolly and Miss Sparkle. So let's unicorn march to try to find one of them. Pointing our toes, marching like a horse or a unicorn. Now I think I see Miss Dolly way up on that hill, so let's march really, really quick for her. Prance as fast as you possibly can, even quicker. Let's go, come on, let's prance and find Miss Dolly. Phew! Good thing we found Miss Dolly. Now, Miss Dolly loves pas de chas. Can we do some pas de chas up and over the pond like last time? Up and over. Up and over. Very good. Let's do two more. Up and over, using our arms to help us in port-de-bras, and up and over. Amazing. Give yourself a big hug, ballerinas. Now, all of this hard work has made me very hungry. So why don't we make a big, delicious pizza for today? So let's go down on our knees like a graceful ballerina, swing our legs out in front of us, and split our legs to the side to make space for our yummy pizza. What's going to be the first ingredient? What's that? That sounds great. Let's spread some of that around our pizza. What else should we add on? I don't know. What do you think? That sounds yummy. Let's add some of that. Now, what else should we add on to this pizza? Say it out loud. That sounds amazing. Let's add some of that too. This pizza looks so yummy. And one more ingredient, which is... That is my favorite. I'm so excited for this yummy, delicious, amazing pizza. Let's push it in the oven far away from us, ballerinas. Can you reach up and over to one side, trying to touch your toes with your other arm, just like a big moon? And now, like the morning, the sun rises and it sets the next day for the evening. Very good, ballerinas. Take your legs in and give yourself another hug. Let's make our way back standing because we have one more exercise for our fun ballet class today. So standing up like a graceful dancer, one leg in front, kneeling and standing up. Take your feet into first position. Let's take our hands on our hips. up high on our tippy toes. Let's go over to one side and we're going to run and try to kick the soccer ball in front of us as quickly as we possibly can. Kicking, 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 pointing our toes, running as fast as you can from one side to the other. Use your arms to help you. And let's finish back in the center to finish with some ballet jumps or some sautés. Awesome job today. Let's do 4 in first. Here's 1 and 2. Point your toes. 3. Last one, we're going to open to second position, so take your feet way wide apart. Let's do 4 here as well. Here's 1. Here's 2. Jump as high as you can, almost to the ceiling. 3 and 1 more to come back to first position. Last one, make it your very best. Amazing job today, ballerinas. I'm going to show you a very secret ballet step. So point your toes in front of you and you're going to swap feet. So point one toe in front without getting your tutu dirty, as if we were jumping in a puddle. And you're going to switch as fast as you possibly can and dip your other toe in front. Let's switch and switch and switch. Can you do it faster, as fast as you can? Even quicker, using your arms above your head, tapping your toe in front, switching feet. These are called spring points. Let's do another set and finishing. Very good work today, ballerinas. Can you finish today with a round of applause as well as a curtsy? I enjoyed this class so much. Thank you so much for joining me for this ballet class. I hope you love dancing as much as I do. Have a great rest of the day. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.